Aloha, and welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today we'll be preparing for you Chawan Mushi. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk gently until combined and slightly frothy. Add the tsuyu and mix well. Then slowly drizzle in the dashi while stirring with chopsticks or a rubber spatula to minimize bubbles. Skim off any of the foam from the surface before dividing the mixture evenly among heat-safe serving vessels. Ceramic or glass containers are ideal, though thick, heat-resistant plastic containers may also be used. Top each portion with a slice of shiitake mushroom and snow pea. Steam for about 9 minutes until the custard is just set. Serve hot or chilled. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.